Okay, in this video, I gonna tell you guys, show you guys how to set up a budgie cage for basics. Um, this is the football. Uh, two two ball is come with the cage. One I put the food, and another one usually I put fruit, or sometimes I put water, and yeah, and the bottom I put newspaper. Somebody use the wooden little piece of wood, but I think newspaper is better, so I can change almost every day, 2 days, every 2 days. And this is the mice. I got it in Walmart. I think it's have a budgie, like to for healthy for their mouth. And this is the toy. I think this is their favorite toy. You can see they buy it a lot. It is another toy, and this is the millet engine, and it have the bell, and the mirror. They really enjoy the mirror. They talk a lot in front of the mirror, but this is night time, so they get ready to sleep. All right. And this is the water. When I bought the cage, they gave me 2 sticks, so I put one in here between the mirror and the water, and another one I put on the top. And they really like to sleep on the top. So, and this is the cutter. I think it's calcium to make them healthy. And the engine, they like this. And the most thing I think on of the budgie likes the leather. This leather. I think this is good enough for my 2 little guys. And this is cookie and pie. Say hi. Thank you.